I'm using Sony A7 Mark III with Sony Zeiss 1635mm full frame lens. I'm using these two memory cards. A good sturdy tripod. I'm going to capture zoom burst with these lights. I'm using manual mode, 20 seconds of exposure with f22. Make sure steady shot should be off when you are using tripod. Self timer of 2 seconds when you are capturing long exposure shots. To avoid possible shake when you press the shutter button. Now all set for capturing long exposure zoom burst. Starting. So when it is in capturing, we have to zoom in and zoom out. This is the final outcome from this lights. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share. Stay home, be safe.